In this test, we're gonna use a regular car battery. Let us test the battery for the voltage. Let us test on split type air condition. This is the car battery, and no solar panel installation involved. This is the air condition. If this device can be run by a common battery, then the more it will run on advanced solar battery. And the outdoor unit is also working. During this test, the air condition is working properly and the room is getting colder. We turn off the inverter after 10 minutes, because we only have one battery and we don't want to empty the battery storage. Second test. Induction cooker with 1300 watts. In this setup, we only use a car battery for testing purposes only, no solar panel connection involves. In this test, we boiled the water in just 1 minute and 30 seconds. Our third test is window type air condition. The fourth test, microwave oven. One Solar X, build your solar energy.